Could Samsung's upcoming premium phone be the slimmest Galaxy yet? If you've been keeping an eye on the latest leaks, you might already be familiar with some details about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. Recently, a new video surfaced offering a closer look at the phone's design, although it features a dummy unit rather than the actual working device. For those unfamiliar, these dummy units are the plastic models often found in stores, used to give people an idea of what a phone will look like. Even though it's not the real thing, it still offers some valuable insights into what Samsung has in store for us. This isn't the first time we've had a peek at the Galaxy S25 Edge. The phone was previously shown off during MWC 2025, but that event was more of a showcase where attendees weren't allowed to interact with the device. That earlier look gave us a sense of its size and shape, but now, thanks to the dummy video, we can catch a closer glimpse of the finer details. One of the most striking things about the Galaxy S25 Edge is its slim profile. According to rumors, it's expected to be just 5.84 millimeters thick, making it incredibly thin for a modern smartphone. When you consider how many current smartphones are bulky and heavy, this slim design is bound to be a major selling point. Not only does it promise to be more comfortable to hold, but it could also be lighter, which means less bulk in your pocket. However, achieving this slim design comes with a few compromises. The most significant of these is the absence of a telephoto lens. Unlike other premium Galaxy models, the S25 Edge won't feature the versatile zoom camera that some users may have come to expect. Instead, Samsung has opted for a dual camera setup, which includes a massive 200 megapixel main camera. Along with that, there will either be a 12 megapixel or 50 megapixel ultrawide sensor. In the video, the camera bump appears to be smaller than what we've seen in other Galaxy devices, which may be a sign that Samsung is focusing on reducing bulk where possible. On the inside, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same one found in the other models of the Galaxy S25 series. This means that while the camera setup may not be as advanced as some would like, the phone will still deliver top-tier performance in terms of processing power and speed. The display will feature a 6.7-inch panel with a 1440p resolution, which should provide crisp, vibrant visuals, exactly what you would expect from a Samsung flagship phone. The good news is that we won't have to wait much longer to see the Galaxy S25 Edge in action. Samsung has officially confirmed that the phone will be announced on May 13, with a release in South Korea on May 23 and in the United States by May 30. It's only a few weeks away, so we're on the verge of getting the full picture. As for its global availability, it's still unclear whether Samsung will release the phone in other countries immediately after its initial launch. At this point, we know about South Korea and the US, but given the unique appeal of the S25 Edge, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung expands its reach to more markets based on early demand. So, what do you think? Is the trade-off between a thinner phone and a missing zoom lens worth it? Or would you rather have the extra camera capabilities even if it meant a slightly thicker device? If you're excited to see how this all plays out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates on the latest from Samsung.